Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will explain copying and pasting features on this laptop. So let's begin with the text. So let me create a new text document and present you the copying and pasting features using text as an example. So let's input some sample text in our document. And then now if you want to copy some part of the text, you have to select it, holding the left key of your mouse like this. And once you select it, use Ctrl C or right click the selection, copy, and then you can paste it either by right clicking and clicking and paste, or using Ctrl V combination. You can also cut out the parts of the text that you want to do this. Select the text that you want to cut, and then either select cut option right here after you right click the selection, or use Ctrl X combination of keys, and then Ctrl V to paste it again. Now your laptop also has Windows 11 generally has this clipboard feature, and to activate it you have to use Windows button and Windows button and V at the same time. So when you press two buttons at the same time, you'll see the window like this. Click turn on and you'll see the clipboard with all the recent clips that you made. You can basically copy text, and then you can copy different parts of the text, and then by pressing Windows and V at the same time, we can select which of the clips we want to paste. For example, if I want to paste this one, I'll have to select this one. Then if I want to paste this one, I select this one, and basically that's how it works. And right now I'm gonna show you how to do the same thing with the files and folders in your file explorer. So open your file explorer. Right now let's go to the, for example, to the pictures folder. Here we have the screenshots that we recently took, and if you select a screenshot, you can either copy it clicking right here, cut it out clicking right here, or right click on it and select one of this option right here. Or alternatively, you can again use Ctrl C for copying and then paste it in a different directory using Ctrl V, or using Ctrl X. You can cut it out and then Ctrl V to paste it, and then if we return to screenshots, the screenshots will be removed from here and moved to the pictures folder. And that's how you use all of the copying and pasting features on your laptop. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.